Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to ИнстаФорекс TV. I'm Kate Nedachina.
And I'm Olga Vitkovskaya.
This is a combined review of the last week Forex and stock market dynamics.
What were the main trends of the previous week?
On Friday, the American dollar strengthened by more than 1% versus the yen.
What caused the US dollar rise?
Actually, it's the report on payrolls in the United States, which appeared better than predicted. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, instead of the expected 135,000 new workplaces, 165,000 new jobs were created. Despite the increase of labor forces, unemployment dropped in April from 7.6% to 7.5%. Moreover, some reports say that the decrease of the new orders in industrial sector of 4% exceed its forecast of 2.8%. Business activity in service sector fell to 53.1 points. That also did not justify the consensus of 53.7. Data from the ISM survey said. However, the index stays in growth zone, pointing at the sector development. So on Friday, the greenback raised to 99.08 yen from 97.99 yen on Thursday. Furthermore, Federal Reserve System of the United States decided to save the asset buying program totaling $85 billion per month till the great improvement of the labor market situation. The regulator also mentioned that the jobless rate, which is now 6.5%, is one of the factors provoking the austerity of the monetary policy. During the Friday session, the euro rate against US dollar was $1.31.10. That is more than the Thursday euro currency rate of $1.30.60. On Friday, the European Commission downgraded the GDP outlook of the Eurozone to 0.4% in 2013. Previously, experts expected the 0.3% reduction. After the Mario Draghi speech about the ECB readiness to lower the interest rates, which are, so to speak, at the zero level now, the euro lost over 1% of its value. Moreover, the European regulator cut the key rate to 0.5% to meet the weakness of the Eurozone economic indicators. That's all I have about the currency trends of the last week.
Thank you for the currency market analysis.
You're welcome, Olga. And what can you say about stock market?
The American stock market was overwhelmed by bullish sentiment.
Was the reason the same as in Forex?
Actually, yes. Positive mood was evoked by pleasant news regarding growth of new jobs in the American economy in April. The most fluctuating shares were those of LinkedIn and Kraft Foods Group. The shares of LinkedIn lost 13% and notched $175.59 amid information that the company's revenue appeared above the analytical expectations and that the company downgraded the forecast for profit in the current quarter. At present, the social network for professionals predicted the quarterly revenue to equal $347 billion, while the analysts expected the revenue of $360 billion. At the same time, the quotes of Kraft Foods Group, on the contrary, ascended by 5.1% when the first quarter report was released, demonstrating better results than predicted. The company informed that its revenue in quarter one amounted to $456 billion or 76 cents per share. The income grew by 2.1% to $4.5 billion. Experts surveyed by Thomson Reuters foresaw the profit of 64 cents per share with a revenue of $4.48 billion. To compare, last year the revenue equaled $483 million or 82 cents per share. This is all I have about the stock market trends.
Thank you, Olga.
You're welcome, Kate.
You were watching a weekly review of Forex and stock market on ИнстаФорекс TV
with Olga Vitkovskaya
and me, Kate Nedachina.
Goodbye.
See you next week. Goodbye.